This code first imports the numpy library. Then, the code defines a square matrix. The matrix is a 2x2 matrix, with the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, the code computes the inverse of the matrix, using the numpy.linalg.inv function. The numpy.linalg.inv function takes a matrix as input and returns the inverse of the matrix. Finally, the code prints the inverse of the matrix. When we run the code, the output of the code will be this matrix. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.